So let's get into it and start with resource reports and active resources. In a typical project architecture, you might be managing a variety of cloud resources, such as compute resources like EC2 instances, storage like S3 buckets, and databases like RDS. These resources can quickly add up, making it challenging to keep track of everything. With Vantage, I can navigate to the Active Resources screen to get a view of currently active resources. If I click into this EC2 instances section here, I can see all active EC2 instances that are currently running and generating costs. In a massive cloud environment, it's easy to forget about a running instance or run into issues with things like unattached EBS volumes that continue to accrue costs. And with that said, I can create resource-specific reports here. Now, the great thing about looking at resources is that for specific resources like EC2 instances and Kubernetes workloads, I can see right-sizing recommendations that are going to help me ensure that I'm not over-provisioned. I can see a potential monthly savings following these recommendations as well. Now, another good feature in Vantage for viewing resource-specific costs is the Network Flow Reports tool. For any network-enabled resource, Network Flow Reports are going to show you the source and destination of the flows within your network that are driving costs. Network costs are often opaque because they involve numerous complex interactions among different services, regions, and availability zones. And data transfer charges can accumulate in the background, driven by things like cross-region traffic, inter-AZ communication, or interactions with external services, without any clear visibility into the specific sources of these costs. This feature makes it easy and possible to correlate data transfer charges with both external services like Datadog and your internal applications. In this particular report, I can see all cross-AZ traffic as well as each specific resource and its peer. So you could get really fine-grained with these reports and filter for specific traffic types.